Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart. In another life, in another life. Someone must have really fucked me up, like caused my heart to stop. In another life, in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this. Keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to get. I don't know why, I just can't believe in it. Like somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Worried that it won't be enough. Yeah. Someone must have made me feel bad, but who I was and what I had to give. Oh, someone must have told me a lie, really played with my mind in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this. Keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to get. I don't know why, I just can't believe it. Like somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bulela Madonsela. If you're new here, I warm welcome to you. I hope you like it here and I hope you subscribe and become a part of this beautiful family. If you're returning, baby, I hope you know how I feel about you. Thank you so much for returning and welcome back. Welcome everyone to the new vlog. Today is a Sunday and this is gonna be a daily vlog. Yeah, I have a few errands to run. I need to go to Balito, my favorite mall. Yeah, I have a few errands to run. Then after that, I'm gonna go to Durban for my nail appointments. I'm so excited to be seeing my nail tech today. I last saw her in 2022 and that was the last time I did my nails because pregnancy, or should I say pregnancies. For those who don't know, I had back-to-back pregnancies. I was pregnant in 2022 and I was also pregnant last year. So being in NATO is cut to do anything. All of us doing is just take care of myself and my pregnancies. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go to Balita now. I won't stay long there. I'm just gonna do a few things, just run a few errands, then I'll come back, then go to Durban. I'll see you when I get to Balita. Oh, before I go, OOTD, you know, standard procedure. I'm wearing this linen dress from Errands. It's so nice, you guys. I love it so much. I'm also wearing these sandals, also from Errands, and I'm carrying my Ted Baker tote bag. Oh, okay. And for fragrance, I'm wearing YSL Libre. This is a replica form, Sentimental SA. Guys, I'll see you when I get to the mall.
The perfect summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. Somebody near, it's open for tonight, it's not too late. My mind says yes, you've been here for quite some time, but my heart tells me you should stay a little while. Are we at the end or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way, 'cause my heart screams, let me carry you home. Bright lights and colors, love is for the ones who dare to wait. No use in running when all I really want is to make you stay. My mind says yes, you've been here for quite some time, but my heart tells me you should stay a little while. Are we at the end or beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way. 'Cause my heart screams, let me carry you home, home, Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away.
Hey guys, I'm back home. It's many hours later. I feel like I didn't speak to you guys today. The last time I spoke to you was when I was introducing this video, and I went to the mall and didn't speak to you. Sorry about that. I was just like busy after any, so I didn't get time to speak with you guys. But I did go to Discam to get my goodies. I think I mentioned in my first vlog that I'm currently in my weight loss journey, so I've cut down. Did I cut down or cut completely on sugar? I don't know. But I don't drink or coke ganje, no. So I drink water and footies. Not sure if you guys are aware of this drink, a footies. So it doesn't have sugar and it tastes good. This is my favorite flavor, a grape. So I bought a grape and cream soda. This is also nice. These are the two flavors that I like and enjoy. So I bought this in cans. I was 6, but I had one doing my nails because I was thirsty. I didn't have water with me, so I had one can. Also got it in this tub. So iyafika powder ganjena. You can buy it like this and then you just dilute it at home. I like diluting it with sparkling water. It tastes so good as opposed to diluting it with spring water, because I even have that fizziness in my head. I'm having a Fanta grape. So I got that at Discam. Sorry you guys, I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Also, I haven't been drinking my water. I had a liter in the morning, and that was that. Also, I went to Woolies, cutting semol. I didn't vlog much cutting level, but I got something exciting. Okay, I'll show you just now. I got myself a coffee machine, you guys. You guys, God is showing off this year. Hey, God is showing off. I am so excited. I'm so happy, you guys. I feel like Nkulunkulu is showing me that yonke into inesikhathi sayo ngempela. Yonke into inesikhathi sayo. I was actually having this conversation with my friend the other day. Ngimtshela ukuthi it's funny how one thing empilweni yakho enzalayo can change a lot of things. So besikhuluma about my vision board. Hey, vision board yami last year, I didn't achieve anything from a vision board yami last year because of one thing. I fell pregnant, and that changed a lot of things, a lot of plans I had for unyaka last year, for 2023. So a lot of things from my 2023 vision board were only achieved this year. As a result, I didn't have a vision board this year. I didn't have one, but most of the things that I did this year were actually my goals for 2023. So yeah, this was one of them. A coffee machine. I've always wished to own one, and God has made it possible. I am so excited. So I got it, and then they gave me this they gave me a coffee pot for free. Then I'll know my favorites. So yeah, you guys, a girl has a coffee machine now, an espresso coffee machine at that. Yeah, you guys, so I'm just gonna make something to eat because I haven't eaten the whole day. So I'll prepare my dinner now. Then lunch box for tomorrow. So yeah, you guys, I'm not sure if I should unbox this. What? I'm so tired, you guys. I'm so tired. But I've shown you I have a new coffee machine. Maybe you'll see it in the next vlog because I'm so tired. Or maybe you can follow me on Instagram. If you're not following me, I'll do an unboxing for Instagram. Then you can catch the unboxing there. I'm going to put my link on my description box. Then you can follow me on Instagram, but I'll also leave my Instagram handle here on the screen. If you're not following me, please go and follow me. Please support me. Please support your babe, please. Anyway, I went to Durban to do my nails. These are my nails. I love them. I just did a French. I feel like a French is always a good idea. I don't know about you, but for me it's always a good idea. I did them at Tekwin Carol. If you're in Durban and you're interested, you like these nails, you can check Carol out. I'll leave her details on the screen. I'll also leave her Instagram link on the description box. Please follow her. Please check her Ubanama specials. Alright, yeah, and she's very good. Her work is very good. I love my nails. I haven't done my nails in so long. I think I mentioned earlier on that I last did my nails in 2022, so I'm so excited for this new set. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna prepare dinner, eat, and then in the lunchbox time I think I'm also gonna catch up with my work because last week so I don't want to be overwhelmed tomorrow. I'll do a bit of my work, then great. So yeah, let's prepare dinner.
Tried to be your everything, gave my everything, I sold out. Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out, what got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in.
Hi guys, I've finished preparing dinner. This is my girl dinner. Yeah, it's just a stir fry and if I get inyama queen, what do you call this thing? Air fryer. Yeah, so it is quick. I'm starving. I'm gonna eat now and I'll see you later.
No games, I wanna fall in love. Fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for day